Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. If you use Cash App, you might have seen a new feature called Savings. But how does it actually work? In this video, we'll explain what the Cash App Savings feature is, how you can use it to save money, and what interest rate it offers, and why it could be a smart choice for everyday users. To understand the Cash App Savings feature better, we opened Cash App and clicked on the dollar icon in the bottom left corner. You will see several features there, including one called Savings, even though it has been launched for a few years now. Many people still don't have right information about it, so they are not able to take full advantage of it. The Cash App Savings feature is a great way to earn interest on the balance in your Cash App account. Normally, the balance in your Cash App wallet doesn't earn any interest, but if you transfer that balance into savings, you can earn interest on it. When we click on the savings option in Cash App, we see an interface with two buttons. One is the transfer in, and the second is transfer out. If we choose transfer in, we can move the balance from our Cash App wallet into our savings wallet. If we choose transfer out, we can move the balance from savings back into our Cash App wallet. Whatever balance you have in your savings will be displayed here. You can also set a savings goal here. And if you use a Cash App card, there's a round up feature that can give you even more benefits. We will discuss that in a separate video. Now let's talk about how it works. On Cash App's official website, it clearly says that the balance in your Cash App savings is held by Cash App's partner banks like Wells Fargo, and a fixed interest is given on that amount. This is how the whole system works. Now, about the interest rates, Cash App says you can get up to 4% interest, which is a very good rate. But to get this highest rate, you must receive at least $300 every month in direct deposits, such as paychecks. In that case, you will get 4% interest. Apart from that, the normal interest rate for Cash App savings is between 1.5% and 4%, depending on different factors. After that, they also explain how interest is calculated. It is compounded daily and monthly, which is very beneficial, and your interest is added to your balance every month. Next, let's talk about how much interest you can actually get. The longer you keep money in savings, your interest will grow. Here's an example. Suppose you deposit $100 into Cash App savings. In the first year, you will get 3% interest. So after 1 year, your amount will become 103. The next year, you'll get the 3.09% interest on this new amount, which will make your balance over $106. If you keep it for a third year, you will get 3.18% interest, and so on. The interest keeps increasing until it reaches the highest 4%. This is why it gives more interest than a normal bank, which is very beneficial for Cash App users. The biggest advantage is that if you withdraw your money in just 15 days, you will still get interest for those 15 days. However, sponsored accounts, business accounts, and commercial accounts are not eligible for this. You must also be at least 18 years old. After that, they explain which factors can cause the interest rate to change. You can pause the video to read them. So friends, this was the Cash App Savings feature and how it works. You now know the complete details.